Hello viewers, welcome again to my channel. Second math tab, the solution to your math problems. Let's solve this past question on core mathematics, November-December 2024. This is objective question number 47. So we have to simplify the said 2 root 6 minus root 3 all squared. So this said expression all squared can also be written as 2 root 6 minus root 3 multiplying itself. Okay, so now let's expand the brackets. 2 root 6 multiplying 2 root 6. So 2 times 2, that is 4, and then root 6 times root 6. We have 6. 2 root 6 times negative root 3. So we have minus 2 root 18. And then minus root 3 multiplying 2 root 6. We also have minus 2 root 18. And then finally, negative root 3 multiplying negative root 3. So negative, that is positive. So positive 3. So we can still simplify. 4 times 6, 24. And then minus 2 root 18 minus 2 root 18. Minus 4 root 18 plus 3. So we can group the constants together. So we have 24 plus 3, that is for the constants, minus 4 root 18. But this can also be simplified as 24 plus 3. We have 27 minus 4. But root 18 is a surd which is not in its simplest form. So let's simplify root 18. So root 18 could be written as 9 multiplied by 2. So we have 27 minus 4. And then root 9 multiplying root 2. All inside the square root can also be written as root 9 multiplying root 2. And root 9 here, or square root of 9 is 3. So we have 3 multiplying root 2, which is simplified as 3 root 2. So in place of square root of 9 multiplying 2, you can substitute 3 root 2. So we have 27 minus, so 4 times 3, that is 12 root 2. 12 root 2. So what should be the right answer? So from the alternatives, the right answer is option C. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share the video for others to benefit. See you next time.